have Peter's toy with you.
Okay, happy birthday, Peter. Tell me what you got for your birthday.
I got this for my birthday. It's so awesome.
Okay, what is it?
It's the Spider-Man swinging, Homecoming Spider-Man swinging action figure. Whoa, it has a tunnel.
What else did you get?
These giant toys.
Tell me about them. Tell me what each one is.
This is this is Doc Ock, and
Hold them up so I can see them.
And this is Green Goblin, and this is the Vulture.
Wow, he has wings.
Yeah.
What else? Well, hold up Doc Ock so I can see him.
You see?
Cool. And now I see two big Spider-Mans. Tell me about each one.
This is Homecoming Spider-Man, and this is the normal one.
Let me see Homecoming Spider-Man. Does he do anything?
Look, there's a weird button on the back, and look, when you push it.
Watch out, City! Here comes Spider-Man! Whoa! Something is up. I can feel it. I have that feeling again. Something's headed my way. Look out!
Woo!
It's up to me to stop the Vulture.
Okay, and now I see a little box with Spider-Man stuff in it. What is it?
I'll show you. Here it is. It's the Vulture, the Green Goblin, the Venom and Spider-Man. Who's this?
That's Gwen, Gwen Spider Lady.
This is Gwen Spider Lady. That's all it.
Okay, what's your favorite thing that you got today?
This, and I'll show you about it. I'll make a toy review doing it. Okay. Hey, my world is so vomit. I should clean it up because I don't know why. Turned into a bad guy when it flipped. My Homecoming Spiders town is perfect. No bad guys, no anybody. Only me today. Oh wait, it's the Vulture! What? I gotta stop him. Yeah. Wait, what's that? It's Spider-Man. Oh no, he spots me. Let's swing into action.
Need help?
Let's get the Vulture.
There we go. Now he's on his web.
Let's try and get the Vulture in jail. Gotta get him in jail. Claw, what's that? I'm gonna get you, Vulture. Got you.
Is he going to jail now?
Go to jail.
Yay! Spider-Man got him!
Yeah. Now stay in jail. I'm not done yet.
Okay, well, we got to end our video, so say thank you for watching.
Stay in there. Lock it.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.